What's up, Senders? Welcome back to the segment. If you're brand new here, my name is Mark Hill, and thanks for stopping by. If you've already liked and subscribed and you're back again, I appreciate you guys for being back here. On today's episode, I'm going to take you out to SkyPark Bike Park, located in Southern California in the San Bernardino Mountains. And the reason why is because they have two new things that are going on out there. And number one is a brand new pump track that was collaborated with Kyle Straight Acres went out there and built a pump track that's fun for all ages and is located in the back end of the park where the skills area used to be. Now there was an amazing pump track, and this is what the pump track looks like. Here's a couple laps on it right here.
All right, what's up, everybody? We are at SkyPark. Brand new pump track just opened up. We're gonna run a train with all these beautiful people. Woo. Got a drone in the sky. Let's get some.
Let's do it.
Woo. Here we go. Yo. Ah. Mike, Adam,
What's up?
yo, Robert, Rich, Alexis, Mia, Lauren. We need to shoot for pump track. Kyle Straight pump track. Straight Acres pump track. Here we go. Is live. Opening day today.
Oh, it is.
Now that you got to look at the pump track, and I hope I didn't make you too dizzy, and that was actually done on an Enduro e-bike. Could you imagine if you brought your pump track bike there or your BMX bike? That place would be an amazing workout and tons of fun. Now let's get you up to the second thing there. The second thing is Donner and Blitzen. Donner and Blitzen is a brand new trail that just opened at SkyPark. It's located up to the right of the water towers. If you're looking at arrow, the drop in the arrow, you look to the right of the water tower. Donner and Blitzen starts right there. There's an upper and a lower section of Donner and Blitzen. And because of the name, Donner and Blitzen, I had to look it up to see what the name stands for. And this is what I found. Did you know that Santa's reindeer were first named in a visit from St. Nicholas, better known by its first line, "'Twas a night before Christmas"? In 1823, the original printing of the two final reindeers, Donner and Blitzen, crazy, right? Which are Dutch for thunder and lightning. In 1844, printing by Clement Clark Moore, who credited as being the author, these names are changed to then Donner and Blitzen. In 1949, the song Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer calls them Donner and Blitzen, D-O-N-N-E-R and Blitzen, which are German for thunder and lightning, as they are most widely known as today. So whether you're calling it Donner, D-O-N-D-E-R, Donner, D-O-N-N-E-R, or Blitzen or Blitzen, it's basically you go to the left for thunder, you go to the right for lightning, and it's a blast. Hope you guys enjoy. Here are 3 laps on Donner and Blitzen, brand new trail at SkyPark.
All right, we are here. New trail at SkyPark, located right behind the water towers. Drop it in. I think these go side by side, called Donner and Blitzen. Got Mike with Gravity, bicycles right there. Brett Hall, Unspoken, Meg. We got John Milligan with us. Let's go check it out and see what this is all about. First time footy, let's go. All right, drop it into this one for the first time. See what we got. Brand new trail at SkyPark, Donner and Blitzen, because it ends up splitting up here somewhere. It literally just opened at 1 o'clock. Oh, there's the split. Oh yeah. Nice. I can see where the other one is right next to us. Yeah. Get it, John. John Milligan's on the split trail. I don't know if we're on Donner or Blitzen. Yeah, there's John. Sick. This must be where it merges right here. That was dope. That was sick. And there's the trail builders.
No, don't take it yet.
Right there, Brandon. That upper half was super fun.
Lower half's opening soon.
Yeah, baby. All right, Mia, let's go.
Okay, on this one, let's try Upper Blitzen.
Oh, I'm on the right side. Are you on the left one? Woo! Oh, yeah. Yeah, day dog. Phew. Yeah.
That was fun.
That was fun.
Dropping in.
Dropping. Let's go.
After this, we realized that the second half of Donner and Blitzen was open, so we decided to drop in to check it out.
Oh, sick! Yoo-hoo! All right, we are on the second half of Donner and Blitzen. I got Nate with the trail dogs right up in front of me. In front of him, it's Mike from Gravity Bicycles. Oh, sick. Brand new trail just opened today.
On the lower half, there is the split for Donner and
First
Blitzen
run.
right there.
Yeah. Woo! Oh. Yeah, Nate. Oh, can't see. Ew. Yeah. Oh, sick.
That was my first time on that.
Dude, that was fun. You. That was fun. Woo!
Steeper little entries than on the left side.
Let's go, Mia.
And you
That
don't
is
have
loose
left
as a
side to the
goose,
right
man.
side.
Yeah, Alexis.
I like that left side.
Woo!
Either right or the left.
Nice, that was fun.
That was fun. Yeah. Ew. Surfing. Right line. Is this right line? I think left. I think down in here, I think. Oh, Donner and Blitzen. Okay, I see. Oh, you're right, Mike. Yeah. Good lap.
I hope you guys enjoyed those 3 laps on Donner and Blitzen, SkyPark's newest trails up there. And what's always super fun at the end of the day is trying to figure out who is left in the park and to get a final party lap with everybody. So here is a final party lap down Arrow with a ton of the guys that were still left. Hope you guys enjoy, and thanks again for tuning into the episode, and we'll see you all on the next one.
Where do you want to go?
Let's get it.
Are you doing this one or that one?
All right, party train. Arrow action. Yes, Scott. Phew. Arrow's definitely a fan favorite. Has so many things in it. Yes, Scotty. Yeah, boy. Upper half is always so fun. Woo! Yeah. Woohoo! So fun. Yeah, good lap with the guys there. So fun.